The verb to be, être. Today we are going to learn adjectives together with the verb to be in French coming up. Hello my friend, my dear friend, students. My name is Claire and I'm here to teach you French with a smile. So, the verb to be, followed by some adjectives. You are going to notice that the adjectives in French are either masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. The first one is I am happy. Je suis heureux if you are a man. Je suis heureuse if you are a woman. Encore une fois, je suis heureux, je suis heureuse. Ensemble, je suis heureux, je suis heureuse. Maybe you are curious about French and all these great adjectives. Curious. Tu es curieux, masculine. Tu es curieuse, féminine. Encore une fois, tu es curieux, tu es curieuse. Ensemble, tu es curieux, tu es curieuse. Now you can be proud. So someone could say about you, he is proud, she is proud. Il est fier, elle est fière. Notice the pronunciation is exactly the same, but it is written differently. In the feminine, you add an extra I and there is an accent. Encore une fois, il est fier, elle est fière. Ensemble, il est fier, elle est fière. Maybe you're furious because you cannot have your French lesson today. Furious, we are furious. Nous sommes furieux. Masculine plural, nous sommes furieuses. Féminine plural. Encore une fois, nous sommes furieux, nous sommes furieuses. Ensemble, nous sommes furieux, nous sommes furieuses. Excellent! Some people are a bit shy. Here, masculine and feminine are exactly written in the same way, but because vous is in the plural, the adjective is going to take an S. You are shy, vous êtes timide. Encore une fois, vous êtes timide. Ensemble, vous êtes timide. Very good. The last one is cautious. They are cautious. Masculine plural is ils sont prudents. Feminine plural is elles sont prudentes. Notice the I for the feminine and the S for the plural. Encore une fois, ils sont prudents, elles sont prudentes. Ensemble, ils sont prudents, elles sont prudentes. Very good job, my friend. This is excellent. I'm going to see you very soon on the channel French with a Smile, and you can always take one-to-one lessons with me. The link is below. See you soon.